New House Kitchen Coffee Maker K-Cup Pot Brewer Instant Reboil. Single serve, free filter for use with grounds, brews on command, mug not included, compact, black, stainless steel. You Brew You. Cutting-edge technology ensures coffee brews quickly and at the perfect temperature. No more cold coffee. Instant reboil function allows you to brew cup after cup with no wait time, unlike other K-Cup brewers. K-Cups are grounds. Accepts all K-Cups and coffee grounds, so you can have your cup of joe how you want it. Includes permanent filter for use with coffee grounds. Can also brew loose leaf tea. One-touch operation. Brews coffee just how you like it. Simply no levers to pull. Experiment with less water for a bolder flavor or more water for a milder taste. Make it your favorite way every time. Compact design. Narrow profile, fits and stores anywhere. Can even be used to brew coffee on vacations or trips, in dorms, offices, or any size kitchen. Tall enough to use with most travel mugs. You can quickly brew your favorite hot beverages on the go. Resources. Settle approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability and 1-year warranty provided by Chefman. So you can purchase worry-free. We've got your back. For information on how to use your product, scroll down for a PDF user guide. 1000 watts 120 volts. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.